And the rough early lead is taken by Barkley by the rail, Lexibon on the outside. And moving up on the inside is Sugar Glaze, and here comes Chip Jozan. And nearing the far turn, Barkley in the lead, followed by Chip Jozan on the outside in second. And Lexibon running in third by 3.5 lengths. Entry number 1, Sugar Glaze. And rounding the far turn, it is still Barkley by the rail, followed by Chip Jozan on the outside in second. Lexibon remains in third by 5.5 lengths. And Sugar Glaze moving up on the outside. Whistler and Dear John. The last bend for home, it is still Barkley by half a length, followed by Chip Jozan on the outside in second. And Lexibon remains in third. The top of the stretch, it is still Barkley by the rail. On the outside is Chip Jozan. Lexibon on the farther outside. But it's still Barkley in the lead. It's Barkley in the lead, followed by Chip Jozan on the outside. Lexibon on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Barkley. And finally, it's Barkley, Chip Jozan, Lexibon, Whistler.
Okay, 2, 3, 5, 4 ang ating unofficial order of